What's the meaning of conative? Conative. Conative.
Conative. Conative. Conative refers to the mental processes involved in striving towards a goal, such as desire, motivation, and action. It is a term used in psychology to describe the aspect of behavior that is directed towards achieving a particular end. Conative processes are essential for individuals to achieve their goals and objectives and are a critical component of human behavior. Without conative processes, individuals would not be able to take action towards achieving their goals and would lack the motivation needed to succeed. Overall, conative processes play a crucial role in shaping human behavior and helping individuals achieve their desired outcomes.